Welcome to the OSINT, and this lesson is about the Netcraft, and by which we can get all the details about the servers, websites, and what are the trackers, known trackers they are using. So this is the netcraft.com, and by going to this, let's explore, and you will see every details are there about the server, where it is hosted, what are the site reports, if it is malicious or hosting any malicious codes or piece of codes or not, and every details. So start here. So for that, first I'm going to start with the hacking.org, and search for here. Alright, so from here we can see there are two sites found. First one is hacking.org, and there is the www.hacking.org. So let's see, I think this is the forbidden one. So clicking this one will reveal everything. Okay, let's be back to other site. This is the hacking.org, and going to OS. Okay, so every detail is here, and this is also saying this title is forbidden. It may be something issues because the site is opening. And here you can see this is the IP addresses, IPv6 blocks, and hosted over the Cloudflare. In last lessons and the previous lesson we have seen by using other tools, other third-party tools, that it says in the DNS information that it is hosted over the Cloudflare, and it also confirms here. So from here, this is say top level domain. This is TLD, that is .org. And other informations are there. This is the NetBlock owner, obviously the Cloudflare, hosted over the Linux, and the server is nginx. Okay, coming back to the policy, there is nothing more. And okay, so this is the main important part here. This is the web tracker, and this time the site, that is hacking.org, is not using any kind of trackers to track the users. So this is the good things to know about a site if it is not using any trackers. Okay, coming back to, we will also see some other sites that also use some other kind of trackers. Okay, so let's move with the other and big URLs like Microsoft, and it will reveal tons of informations about the Microsoft. So let me first go to this starting and the home page, and then I will type the Microsoft, and then see how many servers are there. So basically from here we can also filter out using some criteria like site contains, site starts with, site end with, and subdomain matches. Okay, so now from here we can see how many sites of Microsoft are like subdomains and the main domains. So the blue mark is all the subdomains, and the red one is the main domain. Every domain is hosted over something different operating system, and the servers, you can say this is the go.microsoft.com. This is the main domain. Both are hosted over the Linux. Download and support also use Linux OS, server OS. But the TechNet use server 2012. Maybe there are different technologies that only supports Windows Server. That's the reason why it is hosted over that. So basically it says the first scene. So whenever it is started the site, there's the date and timestamp here. And net blocks, you can see this is the net blocks of Microsoft, Akamai International. Okay, now let me open the first and the main domain. Okay, so I don't want to use open the domain itself. So this is the site report. So opening site report. Okay, so first of all, this is no risk ratings by the Netcraft itself, and it was first seen in the 1995, and site rank is also there. IP address is, domain registrar is markmonitor.com, and here is the name server. We can also see the performance graph, but for this lesson and this course, there is no need for see the performance graph, but you can see using the performance graph here. And here is the important part. This is the web trackers that is installed over the site. Actually, that is trackers known for tracking user behaviors, and so that they can serve something better. And there is the Adobe and the analytics, and Adobe is analytics, how they are using, and other popular sites that they are using is bankofamerica.com as well. And there are two more. There is a Fox News and Cisco. Coming to the site technology, we can see this is the SSL and coded over the ASP.NET. Other sites that also use the same technology, server-side technology, this is Yandex, search engine, CryptoCompare, and Dell.com as well. So from here we can be assured about other sites too, that what technology two different sites are using. Coming to the client-side technologies, we can see this is the web worker, asynchronous JavaScript. So this is the Ajax and this is the JavaScript. Other popular sites using the same is there. Client-side scripting is also there. So this is the Ajax and jQuery. By using other site, we can see what client-side and server-side technologies are in place, so that according to we can brute force, we can hack the web applications, hack the servers, and we know all about that from the Netcraft. That is all about Anonymous, and that's all. Similarly, we can get to know more about every domain and the subdomain, what technology they are using, what kind of features, client-side scripting, server-side scripting, server-side technologies are there, so that we can attack further. That's the reason why the Netcraft is important in the open source intelligence gathering. So that's all about the Netcraft. We can get a full report about any website, any servers, any subdomains. So by using Netcraft, you can get a lot more details. So please explore the Netcraft so that it will help you in the exercises coming ahead. Thank you.